Why is my water heater making strange noises? Have you ever turned on your hot water and heard strange sounds coming from your water heater? Those noises can be unsettling, but they are often signs of simple issues that you can fix. Water heaters are essential, and understanding what causes these sounds can help you keep them running smoothly. One common reason for strange noises is sediment buildup inside the tank. Over time, minerals from hard water settle at the bottom, forming a layer of sediment. When the heating element warms the water, steam bubbles from beneath this sediment and burst, creating popping or rumbling sounds. This buildup can also make your heater less efficient and shorten its lifespan. Flushing the tank once or twice a year can help remove this sediment and quiet the noises. Another cause is water hammer, which sounds like banging or hammering in the pipes. It happens when water flow suddenly stops or changes direction, causing pressure surges. These surges make pipes and the water heater vibrate or bang. Installing or adjusting a pressure-reducing valve can help prevent water hammer and protect your plumbing. In electric water heaters, crackling or hissing noises might mean mineral deposits are covering the heating elements. These deposits block proper heating and can cause the elements to overheat or burn out. Flushing the tank or replacing the heating elements can fix this problem. Expansion and contraction of metal parts as they heat and cool can also produce ticking, clicking, or cracking sounds. These noises are normal and usually harmless. They happen because metal expands when hot and contracts when cooled. Loose or faulty valves and components can cause high-pitched whistling or screeching sounds. If valves are not fully open or are loose, water under pressure passes through small openings, creating noise. Adjusting or replacing these valves often requires a professional. Gas or oil water heaters sometimes make crackling sounds due to moisture around electrical parts. This can be dangerous because it might cause electrical shorts or corrosion. If you hear these sounds, turn off the heater and call a professional immediately. Regularly flushing your water heater tank helps prevent sediment buildup and reduces noise. If strange sounds continue, or if you notice leaks or poor performance, it's best to call a licensed plumber. They can diagnose the issue safely and fix it properly. Knowing what causes these noises helps you keep your water heater working efficiently and safely for years to come.